Wow, we were blown away. And I asked him, I was like, dude, you sure, like, all of this? He was like, yeah, man, let me get your information. We'll run it and we'll go from there. Boom. We signed, we ran our credit, we were approved, and the ball started rolling. So we get the guys out, and it was some time in between because Dominion had to do some things, because the electric company had to do some things, approve a meter and all the stuff that we needed to add to make us ready. So we finally get installed, and they're walking us through, and I was asking about the panel and the back porch. He said, oh, well, we're going to get this up first, and then we'll come back and do the porch. And I was like, are you sure? Like, because that's not exactly what we talked about. He was like, yeah, we're going to have to do it, like, we're going to break it up, and it's going to be, in a couple months, we'll come back and build that porch for you. A couple of months passed, and no porch was ever built. So I reached out to the salesman. He said, yeah, man, we're not going to be able to do that porch. You weren't approved.